So in some of my assignments, I have rubrics assigned to them. So now if I want to go around and then let's say, for example, export it out in Google Sheets, then I can go around over here in, let's say, for example, the assignments right here, and then see that I have the rubrics right here, just like this. I can go around and expand this and see the details. And if I want to go around and export this out into Google Sheets, then I can simply go around over here and click on the three dot button right here. So I can edit it, I can delete it, or I can go around and export this out to Sheets, as you can see right here. If I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it says exporting to Sheets right here, just like this, as you can see, and the rubric export is complete. So if I were to go around and click on view, then what happens is that this is what you have, as you can see right here. This particular rubric has been exported out into Google Sheets right here, just like this, as essay 4 right here. So I can just go around and then I can simply go around, rename it out to rubric right here, just like this, as you can see. And this is what you have, as you can see, a rubric in Excel sheet right here. So that is how you can go around and export out your rubric made from Google Classroom to Excel sheet as you to Google Sheet as you like, this like this. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe